Hi, and welcome to Story Planning and Writing. This is all about how to write and plan a story. So writing and planning a story involves lots of different departments, such as, first of all, planning, then setting, and then looking at characters, different genres, how to structure your work, and how to best use the time. Planning is all about coming up with different ideas, whether you're doing them through a spider diagram or a flow diagram, or just making simple bullet points. It's all about creating a plot in your story or your essay, and then deciding what's going to happen at the beginning, the middle, and the end, along with different characters, their personality traits, and what they look like and how they act. Setting is where the story is going to be set. Is it going to be home, abroad, in school, in the daylight, in the dark? Or is it actually going to be in a jungle? Or is it going to be in the city center? So that's entirely up to you. But the setting is also very important because the storyline and the setting pretty much have to kind of fit in a way which makes the story stronger. Characters, again, characters, you could have some minor characters, you can have some major characters, a checklist such as age, appearance, habits, jobs, traits, ambitions, hobbies, likes, dislikes, motivations are very, very good checklists to include when you're deciding what character that you're going to use. Genre, is this going to be a detective story, a love story, a science fiction, a comedy, or even a non-fiction? You decide. Structure is very important because, like I said before, in the planning stage, you need a beginning, middle, and an end. And you need to have a certain twist within that story whereby the reader is kept guessing as to what's going to be happening next. And it's not very predictable. The use of time is important because the use of time, you will tell your story in a straightforward way through flashbacks. The plots of most story novels and plays are written in a linear manner. Their plots and characters move forwards naturally in time. So what are you going to do? Are you going to actually go back in time? Are you going to go forwards? Are you going to be looking at the present time? You decide how you're going to work this out. There are some questions based on this exercise. Do read this in detail, give you some ideas of how to plan and write a story. And then you've got some questions to answer thereafter. Thank you.